Fortunately, because of his ill health, he died about 2 years back. And ever since that, his children, they started, the entire story, to cut it short, that we were looking for peace. And we prayed for peace, and we wanted to, we were very close to this Secretariat AG's church. We started going there. It's good. Praise and worship and everything is good. We liked it too. But somehow we were not able to connect it to ourselves, to that church. I don't know why. Because we are more inclined to the Telugu church and a little bit of a motherly church, what we call it. And suddenly one day, Raja dropped in from her heavens into my house. First it was Bharat who accompanied him. Bharat is our friend. And later it was confirmed by Adam. Where are you? Oh, this young boy. Adam is very close. He's like our younger brother. So then ever since then we thought, okay, God has really given us some place where we can really, we work for, I'm a doctor. I work in a corporate hospitals. Stressed out, day in and day out. ఈ రోజుల్లో చూస్తున్నారు డాక్టర్ల మీద 2017 అంతా డాక్టర్లకి అగేన్స్ట్ అయ్యింది. డాక్టర్లు కార్పొరేట్ హాస్పిటల్స్కి వీళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు తప్పు చేస్తారా, వీళ్ళ మీద వేటేద్దామా అని చూస్తూ ఉంటారు. అది మామూలే. అందుకని ఎక్కడో కనెక్ట్ కాలేకపోతున్నాం. ఏ చర్చికి వెళ్ళాలన్నా ఇప్పటికీ 3-4 చర్చిలు అక్కడికి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తూ వస్తూ ఉంటే దేవుడు మమ్మల్ని చర్చికి నడిపించే కన్నా చర్చి పాస్టర్నే మా ఇంటికి నడిపించాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ రాజా. ఆ రోజు నుంచి we wanted to come.